Hi everyone, it's Angela from Really Good Stuff. Thank you for joining me here. Make sure you're signed on every time we are, because when you interact with us, that's what gets you those points for you to be a top fan. So the more you interact, the more Facebook recognizes you, and eventually you'll get a little diamond next to your name that says top fan. Now we randomly have drawings for our top fans over and above what we give away usually. So tonight we're going to be giving away 10 prizes. So all you have to do is interact with us. Like, comment, share, ask questions, all the things. So tonight I want to talk to you about something very special. Our product developer Erica made these kits. These are project-based learning kits, and they are awesome. So much information, and a couple of you already have been like, how am I supposed to do project-based learning, which is done in groups, when we're not allowed to be near each other, etc. Well, technology, that's what's great. Hopefully you have one of those programs where you can break out a set of students to meet on their own, and they can do these. So either way, even if you can't use them right now, these are great for you to have in your room for the future. And this is something you're going to be able to use year after year. So our first one is called Project-Based Learning Kit, Honeybees. Honeybees are so important, and it's important that kids understand that. So it comes with an activity guide, of course. So Erica has this chock full of information, and then she already did the follow-up activities for you. So we've got reflect on your hard work, presentation planner, because they're going to have to present, group member job list. Here's the other thing. The kids can do these independently as well for right now, if you're more comfortable with that. And then here's project layout. Here's a web, and then a rubric for assessment, which is awesome. So she gave you one for the students and one for the teacher to fill out. I always loved my kids filling out their own rubrics, because I think it really helped them reflect on the task, and it helped them see where maybe they could have worked a little harder. So again, great activity guide here. And then you're going to get 5 beautiful large laminated cards. Now the reason she designed them this way is so the teacher could read off the back of the card. So this one is how pollination works. A honeybee is an insect that is found on every continent on the earth. Did you know that? Interesting fact. So it gives the kids this visual to look at. So this one is how pollination works. Then we have the importance of pollination. And look at this great photo. Wow, that bee's really getting look at this one. This is foods produced by honeybees. Again, why they're so important. There's some foods that we wouldn't have. Honey production. Again, great, huge visuals. Where honeybees live. So those cards are for you to read. And then, let me put this to the side, you get tents of all 5 of them. So after you've read the paragraphs, the kids can reread the paragraphs, and their task is on the back. So these are tented, so you put them on the desk like this. When you first get them, if you fold them backwards a little bit, they'll stand up better. So again, here's the card you read, and here is the task. This I think is one of my favorite ones. This was how pollination works. So this one's called Bee Boots. Boots, B-O-O-T-S. Collaborate with your group members to design boots that a bee could wear to spread and collect more pollen. Because one of the fun things when she was making this that we discovered in this picture is they have something on the back of their leg that helps them to gather the pollen. So that's a ton of fun. So this is why there's a little model. See the area? So the kids are going to make little bee boots. I don't know, maybe they'll have little pails hanging off of them. It's up to them. So it comes with this model so that they can try their little contraption afterwards. So that one's a ton of fun. And again, you could have kids in your class do every one of these, or literally break them up in groups and have them do different ones. Where honeybees live. So for this one, collaborate with your group members to develop an optimal living environment for honeybees to thrive in. So you see, this is going to take research. So this is not for basically a kindergarten or first grade class. This is for kids to research and learn more. So that's awesome. An optimal place for honeybees to live. And then this one is the production of honey. So this one is honey marketing plan. Collaborate with your group members to create a marketing plan to sell as much honey as possible. Tell me the kids would not love to do this. You could see them creating commercials, flyers, all kinds of fun stuff. Foods produced by honeybees. This one is restaurant menu. Collaborate with your group members to construct a restaurant menu that features mainly foods that exist because of bees. That's funny. That's actually fun. I'm going to create a menu with foods mainly created by bees. That's awesome. This one, importance of pollination. Pollination machine. Collaborate with your group members to assemble a machine that could pollinate different plants. So this definitely sounds like a STEM one. So here's the thing. You can adapt this to whatever your teaching situation is right now. So you can see it's chock full. Erica spent a lot of time on this. The best thing about this is you can just set it up and do it. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to slide this one over. Well, now we're going to talk about project-based learning kit, Salmon. So here's your little salmon here. And again, she did the guide with all the things inside, the worksheets. I don't want to call them worksheets, the logs. And then, of course, your rubric. Goodness, couldn't even think. So again, here's these large, beautiful pictures. Where salmon live, gives you the information. Ancient fishing methods. This is fun, it's called a weir. Habitat pollution. Again, these are real life things kids need to know about. The amazing journey. And then we've got salmon population decline. Not a good thing. So again, it comes with the 5 tenths. Brand new out of the box, there you go. So again, it gives them what you have already read to them so they can reread it. And then here's their task. So let's see what this one is. Living environment. Collaborate with your group members to develop an optimal living environment for salmon to thrive in. So if you've already done the bee one, they're going to know. They have to research where salmon like to live, what, temperature of water, etc. That's awesome. Ancient fishing methods. And this one, you're going to make the fishing weir. Collaborate with your group members to assemble a fishing weir to catch as many salmon as possible. So depending on your comfort level, you could have the kids actually create one in a shoebox where like a little diorama, or they could even use like a plastic bin and try to make a real one where they dump water in. Up to you. We give you the plate, you finish filling it. Habitat pollution. Collaborate with group members to create a tool that can help you clean polluted waters. Again, important. I mean, that's the whole basis of STEM, is to collaborate and communicate ways to make the world better. Can add some creativity in there. The amazing journey. So this one is salmon migration. Collaborate with your group members to construct a dam that would allow salmon to pass through both directions. That's a challenging one. A dam that would allow the salmon to pass through. And then last one, this was for the salmon pollution decline. Raise awareness. Collaborate with group members to design a publication that brings awareness to the largest audience about the salmon decline. So again, you see, these are just chock full. They come in these beautiful boxes. This is something you're going to use year after year. It's great, cross-curricular. It's for your kids. They're going to do research and writing. They're going to end up having to do math. science, all the things. So these are definitely cross-curricular. And again, you guys are creative. You can figure out how to do this online. And it's designed to work as a group, but there's nothing wrong with, okay, you 5 students, you guys are going to build the fishing weir, but you're going to each do it independently at your house. And then you're going to present to your other team members, and the best design that you guys come up with, that you vote on, that everybody agrees, oh, Lacey's design was absolutely the best, that's the one we're going to present. Then you can easily, on a Zoom call or whatever program you're using, show what you've learned. And some of these are publications, so they can be shared out. You may have a group that wants to make a video. It's completely up to you. But again, this is something that's weeks and weeks of work that is already done for you. And I know a lot of you are like, I can't plan anything else because I'm stressed. I see you guys up on Instagram. I've been up for 8 hours building kits to send home to my kids. So let us do some of the hard work for you and give you some good sound additions to support your curriculum that your students will be able to use. Again, these are going to be for a little bit of the older grades. You could start it in 2nd, but I think it's more of a 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th type, where they're on the computer and they are doing the research and they're finding out all the information. Again, my name's Angela. Make sure you comment, leave us questions, let us know if there's anything else you would like us to talk about on here. We love you. Hang in there. Hopefully by the end of this year, school year, not year, school year, everything will be back to the real normal, is what I'm going to call it. Anyway, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.